In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Gemini photos using the underrated tool, Electric Stillness. Collectively, we'll transform your photos in such a way that captivates both stillness and motion, all while maintaining a unique atmosphere. So without any further ado, let's dive into this immersive journey. First, let's open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Navigate to the search bar, where the magic usually begins, and type in Google Gemini. This will lead you to a variety of resources, but we're interested in the official Google Gemini website, so go ahead and click on that link. Once you're on the Gemini homepage, locate the option that says Create Image. On this page, you'll find a simple yet elegant interface designed for crafting remarkable visuals. Click on this option to proceed. As soon as you do, you will see an option to upload a photo. This is the space to let your creativity roam free. Click on the plus sign, which allows you to upload your chosen image from your computer. After selecting your photo, it's time to craft a compelling prompt. A prompt serves as a guiding vision for what you want your final image to look like. Imagine this: an image of a man calmly floating in serene slow motion above a futuristic city at twilight. As he hovers, he's surrounded by drifting particles and ambient fog. Picture spiraling arcs of soft electric energy enhancing the scene. Adding to this unique visual, the word Gemini is subtly illuminated on his chest, providing a focal point in the cinematic fusion of realism, motion, and light. This vivid description will be your creative compass in crafting a stunning visual narrative. Everything set and ready? Perfect. The last step is simple. Just click the Submit button. This action will initiate the creation process, where your masterpiece is brought to life using the transformative powers of Gemini. Here's a tip. While the image is being processed, take a moment to think about the different aspects of your vision: color, lighting, atmosphere, any elements you might want to adjust for future creations. And there you have it. You've just created a mesmerizing Gemini photo using Electric Stillness. Whether you're a visual artist or just someone looking to explore creative possibilities, this tool opens up new horizons for when you want to blend motion and stillness harmoniously. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and inspiring. Thank you for joining me on this creative journey. Don't forget to share your Gemini photos and spread the word about this underrated gem of a tool.